5 things I love about silver. Now, number one, it is real tangible wealth. You can physically hold silver in your hands. It is not numbers on a screen. You can pick it up, you can play around with it, and there's something really powerful with being able to actually pick up and hold something tangible, especially in this day and age when most investments are just numbers on a screen. Now, number two is it's undervalued. Now, this is all in my opinion, but I believe that silver is heavily undervalued. If you look at the gold to silver ratio, it is way out of sync. The amount of silver versus gold that is coming out of the ground right now is nowhere near the gold to silver ratio that we are seeing. And therefore, that makes me conclude that silver should be priced a lot higher. And that leads us on to number three, which is industrial demand. Now, silver is heavily needed in many different industries. The main ones I like to talk about on this channel are EVs, which is electric vehicles, and solar panels. Now, silver is used in many more different industries. It's used in the medical industry, it's used in electronics. But the reason I like to talk about solar panels and electric vehicles is they are up and coming. Every single car on the road very soon will be electric. There's more and more solar panels being added to people's roofs. There's more and more solar panels being added to businesses. There's so many more businesses now that are going all green, and they're completely powered by solar. So therefore, silver is in heavy demand right now. There is lots of silver that is needed to make the things that I've just listed. And that is because silver is the most conductive metal there is. And that is the reason why it is used in so many different industries. Now, leading on to number four, it's an affordable entry point. You don't have to go out and buy a huge 1 kilo silver bar. You could just pick up a single ounce of silver. You could even pick up a smaller piece of silver, maybe a 20 gram or a 10 gram piece of silver. The point being is it has a very low entry point. You really can buy as small as a gram or even a grain of silver can be brought now. Obviously, be careful. The lower you go, the higher the premium you'll pay. But the point is, you can pick up a piece of silver for whatever your budget allows you to. And finally, the fifth and final reason why I love silver is its wealth protection. Silver has stood the test of time. It's a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Like I said in one of the earlier points, silver is getting used up in production. So not only is there a limited supply, it's also gradually going down because this stuff is being used up and it's not being recycled. Every time an electric vehicle gets scrapped or a mobile phone gets thrown away, the silver isn't extracted from that. It's going to landfill, and therefore this supply of silver is getting smaller and smaller by the day. So let me know in the comments section the number one reason why you love silver, and if you haven't started stacking silver, definitely have a little think about it and maybe consider picking up your very first ounce.